This is Ilfat Hussein. I'm the editor-in-chief of iMedical Apps. We're a publication that reviews mobile applications for physicians. We are physician writers as well. The app I want to discuss right now is AgileMD. AgileMD is a platform that enables hospitals and clinicians to put their clinical protocols, point of care handbooks, and other types of medical references on iMedical Apps. Last week I wrote about how I was frustrated with the lack of legitimate Ebola related mobile apps. So apps that would help physicians learn things at the point of care or on their mobile devices in general. Luckily, AgileMD has partnered with the CDC and the Nebraska Medical Center to upload their content within the app. So first thing to do is obviously go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download AgileMD. It's a free download, and registering is super easy. They don't ask you a ton of questions. When you open up the app, you automatically get the CDC Ebola guidelines that you can download. If you want to access Nebraska Medical Center's Ebola guidelines, which I highly recommend you do, AgileMD is working with them as well. You click on the top left area, and then you click on library and get more resources, and here you can just search for Nebraska, and it shows up Nebraska Medical Center Ebola. And then I've already downloaded it, so I'm just going to click open, and once you download it, it falls into your library. So I'm going to go back to my resources area, and again, these are all free downloads, and it's an easy way to get up-to-date content. And you can see when it was last updated as well. You can see October 27th was the last update, and it's sourced from the CDC. So here you can come in, you can click healthcare worker, what to do, what you should do, what you should not do. You can see some of the multimedia does appear kind of like as PDF files. So not super mobile optimized, but it's great to have organized in this manner, so you can easily access it on your iPhone or Android device. If you want to know what ZMAP is, how effective is it. I really like Nebraska Medical Center's guidelines here. They are fantastic. They have just great checklists available for you to look at. Donning procedures. Obviously, the PPE equipment that they have might differ from your own institution, but they have basic guidelines as well that are really useful that you can utilize even if you don't have the same PPE. They also have videos as well, questions and answers. And these are linked via YouTube. But again, the great thing that this app does, what AgileMD does, is it provides a platform to store all this content on your phone so that you can easily utilize it later. You can star things. You can add your own notes here. You can even provide feedback. This is triaging suspected Ebola patients. And again, your own home institution's guidelines will vary, and it varies based on the resources you have. But in general, this is a great legitimate resource to learn more about Ebola management, precautions that you should take as a healthcare provider as well, and diagnosing it, treatment as well.